Hello, I'm Preeti, Assistant Professor, Department of Food Technology, SMS College of Technology, Coimbatore. Today, we are going to see a lecture about high pressure processing. So, what is high pressure processing? It is also sometimes known as high hydrostatic pressure, that is HHP, or ultra high pressure processing, UHP. It is a relatively new non-thermal food processing method that subjects liquid or solid foods with or without packaging to pressures between 50 and 1000 MPa. High pressure processing history. HPP has been recognized by scientists to kill bacteria as early as in 1890s. The effects of HHP on organisms. Viable bacteria on water samples collected from 5100 meter depth was found in the year 1883. Reduction of spoilage organism by ultra high pressure processing from milk and meat products to fruits and vegetables were found in 1914. Peaches and pears treated at 400 MPa for 30 minutes at room temperature has a shelf life of 5 years of storage. Resistance of spores and vegetative cells for HPP was found in European, Japanese, and US food industries are investing on HPP research. Advantages of high pressure processing. High pressure processing inactivates the vegetative microorganisms, spores, and enzymes, and it also increases the shelf life of the food, denatures protein and polysaccharides. So, it denatures the protein and the polysaccharides present in the food. Interesting application in the area of food texturization. It's nothing but betterment of the texture of the food. It has a non-thermal nature. Development of novel foods for superior nutritional and sensory quality. HPP is used here for development of novel foods of superior nutritional and sensory quality. Higher safety. It has higher safety. Increased ambient shelf life. As we already saw, it increases the shelf life of the food item. So, role of what is HPP is doing in functional properties of a food item. So, high pressure treatment is expected to be less detrimental than conventional processes to low molecular weight food compounds such as flavoring agents, pigments, vitamins, etc. As covalent bondings are not affected by pressure, so the covalent bonds are not being affected by the high pressure processing. Okay, so heat sensitive, anti-mutagenic, and therefore health promoting substance in fruits and vegetables are also largely retained. So it is also a heat sensitive. Okay, spores are normally pressure resistant, but it is possible to activate the germination process by using moderate pressure and temperature. Germinating spores are, however, not very resistant against high pressure, so that it is possible to inactivate even spores by using high pressure processing. An immediate inactivation of Bacillus subtilis spores was immediately obtained at 70 degrees Celsius at 150 MPa. So Bacillus subtilis spores were immediately inactivated at 70 degrees Celsius at 150 MPa. High pressure processing treatment, however, also has effects on the modification of food and food ingredients. The modification of protein, for example, gelatinization, polysaccharides and mixtures of both, as well as change in the texture of food by HP treatment, have been studied intensively during the past few years. One application of high pressure processing is blanching of vegetables. Plant cell walls are damaged to this treatment because of heat. Obviously, the plant cell wall is damaged, and this effect influences the permeability of cell walls. Consequently, dehydration processes are improved, and this effect makes dehydration process easy. HPP's principle, Le-Chatelier's principle. It states that when a system at equilibrium is disturbed, the system responds in a way that tends to maximize the disturbance. Chemical reactions which result in a decrease in total volume are enhanced by pressure. It states that pressure is instantaneously and uniformly transmitted throughout a sample under pressure, whether the sample is direct contact with the pressure medium or hermetically sealed in a flexible package that permits pressure. Pressure is transmitted in a uniform, that is isostatic and quasi-instantaneous manner throughout the sample. So compression energy is acting here. Energy input during the pressure process is very small compared to thermal processes. Therefore, no chemical reaction takes place. Okay. In next lecture, we'll see about the application of high pressure processing. Thank you.